Assalamualaikum, welcome to my channel. In today's video, we will create a beautiful Islamic notebook cover page designs. Take a white paper with the size you required. In this part, we are going to draw a beautiful mask for a notebook cover page. Start from drawing clouds. Now add big domes in the center and smaller domes on the sides. Next, draw tall minarets on both sides to give it a complete mosque look. Also draw some simple details like doors and windows. At the bottom write name, class and roll number to complete your cover page. Draw a border line around the page carefully. Now let's color the mask. Use green for the domes, yellow for the minaret and blue for the clouds. Make sure to color neatly to make your drawing look clean and attractive. Finally, your beautiful mask drawing is ready. Now for the second design, take a white paper with the size you required. Now by using a lead pencil, let's draw a cute Muslim girl for the notebook cover page. Also draw cat and prayer mat. Now by using black marker, give outlines to all the sketch. Start by drawing a simple face with closed eyes and a small smile to show a peaceful expression. Now draw a hijab around the head and shoulders. Next draw the hands in a praying position. After that, draw a simple dress and add a small cute cat beside her. Finally, write name, class, and roll number at the top. Draw a margin line carefully. Now let's add colors. Use bright and soft colors like orange, red, yellow, and green. Color everything neatly to make it look beautiful and eye-catching. Your cute Islamic cover page design is complete. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share. Thanks for watching.